Hello friends, last class I discussed about the types of the different kinds of the types of the multiplexer. If you know the basic multiplexer, suppose 2 is to 1 multiplexer, you can design any kind of the multiplexer, right? So here today I'm going to discuss about the how can you design any kind of the Boolean expression by using the 4 is to 1, 8 is to 1 and 2 is to 1 multiplexer, right? So here you can see, so I have written one Boolean expression. Here you can see this is A, B, C, D, right? The expression is like that. I have this midterm 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 14, 15. I have this midterms, right? So I will design this using 4 is to 1, 2 is to 1 and 8 is to 1 multiplexer. So first I will start with the 8 is to 1 multiplexer, then 4 is to 1, then 2 is to 1 I will take. Okay. So 8 is to 1, right? So you can see in 8 is to 1, in 8 is to 1, so there is one relationship. 8 is the number of input lines, okay? So how many select lines should be there? 2 to the power 3. 3. So here 3 number of select lines are there, okay? 3 number of select lines are there, right? So now you have total 4 variables here. So from 3 numbers in multiplexer you need a 3 select lines, okay? So from this A, B, C, D, I will take A, B, comma, C. These three are as a select lines. Now what about the D? D will be connected with the input channels. So you have the how many input channels? Total I0 to I7. This number of input channels are there, okay? So I will connect D as a input channels, okay? So how, which input channel should be connected with the D? This I will figure out, okay? So from if the number of select lines are there, that means the three select lines I am considering as A, B, C, and D will be connected with the input lines. Okay. So here I am drawing a one map. This is not a K map. This is a map and a variable map like. Okay. So here you can see, apart from this ABC, you have D, right? So whatever select lines are there, so I am writing these select lines here only. Okay, you can see. And D, how many combinations can we write? So D plus D prime and the D, these two combinations I can write. Okay, so D prime and D I am writing here vertically. Now horizontally I will write how many combinations should be possible for these three select lines. This I am writing horizontally. Okay, so here I am writing A prime, B prime, C prime, A prime, B prime, C, right? So that means 0, 0, 0. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. In this way I am writing, it will be better. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 lines are there. Okay, I am doing again a little bit complex. Okay, so D prime and D I have written here. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. These are the combinations of A, B, C, A prime, B prime, C prime, A prime, B prime, C, like this way. Okay, and now you can see, based on these three select lines, my input channel will be selected at the output. Suppose if A prime, B prime, C prime, okay, if I am giving 0, 0, 0, I know data will be selected at the output. Okay, so under the 0, 0, 0, here I am writing I0. Okay, I1. In this way I can write all the I4, I5, I6, and I7. Okay, now this now I will do the numbering. Okay, so it will be here, it is 0 1 2 3, because you can see this 0 0 means a prime, b prime, c prime. Okay, so a prime, b prime, c prime, this is d prime, so this is 0. In this way I can give the numbering here: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, now here you can see, so now I will put the mean term in this map. Okay, so where my mean terms are there, you can see I'm not. Okay, so here I'm putting 1, m1, m2, m5, m7, m8, m9, m11, m14, m15. Right, now I'll do some manipulation here. So here you can see, so vertically I have to write some. So what I am doing here, you can see A, B, C. These are the three select lines. Now I am getting I want to get a relationship between D and these I channels. Okay, because I will connect this D with these I channels, right? So how can you get? So here you can see in this vertically, if you see these values, here you can see my I naught is equal to D plus D prime, that means 1. Okay, here I am writing I naught is equal to, here my I naught is 1 in this cell and in this cell. Okay, so D plus D prime, this is 1, and I am coming to the I1. Now you can see in I1, 1 is in this cell. Okay, so this corresponds to D prime. Okay, D prime, I2. So if I see I2, in I2, for I2, my 1 is in this cell. Okay, so this means D, right? This is D, I3. So I3 again, it is D. Now here I am writing, suppose okay, here I am writing, suppose I4. In I4 you can see I4 is there. I4 is, for I4 both cells are 1. Then again you can write as a 1, right? And in I5 again it is D. I5 is again it is D. Now I6 here you can see nothing, no 1 is there, right? So that means your I6 is 0, and I7 is again 1 plus 1, 1, right? This I get. So these are the relationship between D and the I naught to I7. Okay. So here you can say I naught is 1. Okay. So I naught is 1. And which terms are 1? I naught, I4, I7. These are 1. Okay. So I have to connect the BCC with the I naught. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I naught, I4 and I7. These three should be connected with the 1. Okay, so I3, I2, I3 and I5, these are D. Okay, I2, I3, I5. Okay, these are connected with the D, right? And here you can see other thing, I1. Okay, I1 and I6 is 0, right? And I1 is D prime. Okay, so these are the realization. This is the realization of the Boolean expression by using 8:1 multiplexer, right? So what I did here, I naught is 1, I naught, I4, I7, these three are on. So I have connected these three together. Again, I have connected with the logic 1. And I6 is 0, so I6 I have connected with the logic 0. And I2, I3 and the I5, these three are D. So D is connected with these three channels. And I1 is connected with the D prime, so I will connect a NOT gate for getting the D prime, and D prime should be connected with the only I1, right? Next I come to the other three. 4:1. How can you realize the Boolean expression using 4:1 multiplexer? Okay, so for 4:1, first I will check How many select lines are required? 4 number of input lines. So 2 channels. 4 input lines. Okay. 2 select lines. Right. So here, so 4 select lines. Right. So that means A, B, C, D. From A, B, C, D, I am using any 2 as a select lines, and any 2 should, other 2 should be connected to the input lines. Okay. So select lines. So I am considering C, D as a select lines, right? Select lines I will put horizontally and AB. So apart from this C, D, AB term inputs are there. AB I will put in vertical wise. Okay. So here you can see C prime, D prime, C prime, D, C, D prime, C, D. In this way I have written. Here also A prime, B prime, A prime, B, A, B prime, and this A, B. So so whatever input lines are connected to the channels, these I have written in vertically. As selected, I used to write in the horizontally. Okay. Now, so based on these two select lines, my input channel will be selected. So here I am writing I0, I1, I2, I3. If these are C prime, D prime, then I0 will be selected. If C prime, D, I1 will be selected. Okay. So now I am doing the numbering. Okay, if I do the numbering, here it will be 0, 1, 2, 3. You can see the A prime, B prime, C prime, or you can write as a 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1. Like this way, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it does, the numbering is different from the K-map. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sequences it is happening here. Okay, now I'll put the min term in those cells, right? So here 1, 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 14, 15. Now I will check the vertical values. Okay, so now I want to get relationship between I0 and the AB. Okay, so here I am writing the I0. Okay, so if you write I0, so you can see, if you see this vertical value, my in this 4 cell, one is in here and one more one is here. So I am writing this number. Okay, so I0 is A prime, B prime. Here it is A, B prime. Okay, so if you take B prime common, so it will be A prime plus A. Okay, so it is only B prime. Okay, as we know, A plus A prime is 1. Now I come to the I1. So writing I1, I will consider these ones. Okay, so for taking this one, I have to write these 3 values here, right? So it is A prime, B prime plus A prime B plus A B prime. Okay, so here you can see, if I take A prime from these two terminal, you will get only A prime. Okay, so that will be B plus B prime, that will be 1, and A B prime, so it will be like A prime plus A prime plus B prime. Okay, so from here you will get only A prime plus B prime. So I am writing again A prime plus B prime. Now come to the I2. In I2, so these two are 1. Okay, so A prime B prime plus AB, that means A XNOR B. Okay, right? Now last is the I3. I3 I am writing here. Okay, for I3, the last 3, right? A prime B plus A B prime plus A B. Okay, so from this last 2, if I take A common, B plus B prime, that will be again 1. So A prime B plus A. Okay, so this is a one absorption property. It will be A plus A prime into A plus B. From here you will get A plus B, right? So these four relationship I got. So now I am drawing the multiplexer. Okay, so here my 4:1 multiplexer, Y is the output. This C and D are my select lines. I0, I1, I2, I3. I0, I1, I2, I3. Okay, so I0 is B prime. Okay, and I1 is, if we take A prime, B prime, X OR gate. Okay, A prime, B prime OR gate. I2 is X NOR gate between A and the B. Okay, and I3 is A plus B or gate between A and B, right? So this way you can design. So you are using NOT gate, two OR gate, and one XNOR gate. Last is the how we'll do using the 2:1. Okay, so for 2:1, you know that only one select line is required. So I am considering D as a select line and two input line I0 and I1. Okay, so if we take D as a select line, A, B, C, these three will be as a input lines here, right? So here what I told, normally select line I will put in horizontal. Okay, D prime and D, and other input, what are the inputs are there, these should be connected with the channel. This I am writing in the vertically. Okay. So it is A prime, B prime, C prime, A prime, B prime, C. Next is the 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So ABC, these three I am writing in 0, 0, 1 combinations. Okay, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Here it is D prime and D, or it is I0 and the I1. So I want to get a relationship between I0 and ABC and I1 and ABC. Okay, so it is like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I am putting the midterms here. 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 7, 8, 9, 11, 14, 15. Okay, now here I am to get the I naught. Okay, so now what will be my I naught? So I naught is one these four combinations. Okay, I naught is one for these four combinations. So 0, 0 means it is A prime, B prime, C prime plus A prime, B prime, C plus A, B prime, C prime plus A, B, C. Okay, so you can also use the K-map for minimizing this expression. Okay, so this I have already discussed. So you can get a minimized expression by using the again one more K-map. Three variable K-map you can use and you can minimize and you will get a one expression. So and for I1 also I will write corresponding terms. Okay, so I1 is equal to A prime, B prime, C prime. So here it is 1, A prime, B prime, C prime. Then A prime, B, C prime. This is 1, A prime, B, C prime. Then A prime, B, C, like this. You have to write all the combinations. Okay, A, B prime, C prime plus A, B prime, C plus A, B, C. Again, by using the three variable k-map, you can minimize the expression and you will get a one minimized expression which includes a, b, c terms. These three terms should be included. So you will minimize any kind of the expression if you have the suppose if you want to minimize any kind of three variable expression, four variable expression, and two variable expression, and you have some multiplexers are given. So in this way you have to write the procedure. Okay, so again I'm repeating the procedure. So first, by checking the multiplexer, you have to know that how many select lines are required. So if the suppose if whatever select lines are required, this select line you will put in the horizontally, and vertically you will put the other inputs, right? So after that, and so if you are putting the select lines horizontally, you have to put the input channels I not this thing in horizontally, right? So according to minterm, you will put all the minterms in this cell, right? So after that, suppose if you want to get a relationship between I and the other input numbers, okay? So here I am writing here. So I is equal to, I have to consider the those cells, and from the left hand side, from the ABC, from the left hand side, I will write the I will include the terms from the left hand side. Okay, I will not include the terms from the top side where I have written the select lines. Okay, if I am writing the other inputs like A, B, C or A, B in the left hand side, from the left hand side I will take those terms for writing the expression between input channels and the A, B, C or A, B like this way. So this is the procedure. So next class I will discuss about the demultiplexer and followed by the encoder and the decoder. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.